Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy fruit roll-ups. Begin by selecting ripe fruit, then blend to a smooth puree and strain to remove fibers. Add a small amount of sugar or honey if needed, and gently fold in a light flavor like vanilla or citrus zest. Spread thinly on silicone mats and dehydrate at low heat until tacky but not sticky for the perfect fluffy texture. Start by prepping ingredients and equipment, and chop fruit into manageable pieces for the blender. Puree until ultrafine, then push through a fine mesh to remove seeds and strings that can ruin the roll-up feel. Stir in minimal sweetener and a pinch of citric acid or lemon juice to balance sweetness. Pour onto lined trays in a very thin, even layer to set up correctly for dehydration and easy rolling. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for cozy, reliable kitchen where perfect when you're standing and rolling fruit roll-ups. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Drying is the most crucial step, so check sheets often to prevent hardening or stickiness. Rotate trays for even airflow and test a corner to ensure pliability before removing. Once done, cool briefly, then trim to size and roll with parchment to prevent sticking and facilitate storage. Store rolls in an airtight container with a small packet of desiccant or a pinch of rice to maintain texture and freshness for snacking or lunchbox treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.